Thinking about joining Frost Kingdom but not sure where to start? Before the game officially launches, players have a chance to participate in the launchpad, obtain Genesis boxes, and join the Ardaya pre-sale. These three features are closely connected, and understanding them can help you know exactly what you're getting into before you participate. In this video, I'll explain everything step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So by the end, you'll know how the Launchpad works, what's inside the Genesis box, and how the Ardaya presale fits into the Frost Kingdom ecosystem. So let's get started. The Launchpad is the official starting point for Frost Kingdom. Instead of waiting until the game launches, the Launchpad allows early participants to enter the ecosystem before everyone else. Think of it as the gateway into Frost Kingdom. Through the Launchpad, you'll be able to participate in the Ardaya presale and purchase Genesis boxes, which are designed specifically for the game's early supporters. Everything begins here, making it one of the most important parts of the entire launch. So, if the launchpad is where everything starts, how do you actually participate? Let's walk through the process. Getting started is straightforward. First, visit the official Frost Kingdom Launchpad website at games.onechainnexus/frostkingdom/launchpad. After connecting the supported wallet, you'll be able to view the available Launchpad events. From there, you'll find information about the Ardaya presale, Genesis boxes, and the current event period. Take a few moments to review the details before participating. Since the Launchpad is where early distribution happens, understanding what you're purchasing is important. The interface is designed to be simple, making it easy for first-time users to navigate even if this is their first Web3 game. Now that you know how to join the Launchpad, let's look at one of its biggest attraction, the Genesis box. The Genesis box is one of the featured rewards available through the Launchpad. According to the official information, each Genesis box costs $30. So every box guarantees Ardaya, along with additional bonus rewards depending on the reward tier. The project also introduced a minimum 10% bonus, meaning participants receive at least 33 Ardaya from a $30 Genesis box during the current launchpad. Some Genesis boxes also include the opportunity to win the progressive jackpot, offering the chance to receive significantly larger Ardaya rewards. The word Genesis is important because it represents the very beginning of the project. These boxes are designed specifically for early participants who want to be involved before the game's official launch. Because Genesis events only happen once, they become an important milestone in the game's launch period. Of course, Genesis boxes are only one part of the launchpad. The other major feature is the Ardaya presale. The Ardaya presale gives early participants an opportunity to obtain Ardaya before the game officially launches. So what is Ardaya? Ardaya is the core utility token of Frost Kingdom and plays an important role throughout the ecosystem. Inside the game, Ardaya can be used for in-game value, and outside the game, the roadmap includes staking on the cross-platform. One thing to understand is that Frost Kingdom recently updated its tokenomics. Instead of using the original burn-only model, Ardaya now follows a mint and burn system. When Ardaya is used inside the game, it is burned, but every burned token creates room for the same amount to be minted again in the future, while keeping the maximum supply fixed at 500,000 Ardaya. The presale gives participants access to Ardaya before gameplay begins, allowing them to become part of the ecosystem during its earliest stage. As always, it's important to read the official launchpad information carefully, before participating so you understand the current event rules and schedules. So how do all of these pieces fit together? The launchpad acts as the starting point. Inside the launchpad, you'll find the Ardaya presale and the Genesis box. The presale introduces Ardaya into the hands of early participants, while Genesis boxes provide guaranteed Ardaya together with bonus rewards. Once the game launches, Ardaya becomes part of Frost Kingdom's economy through gameplay, future staking, and the project's updated mint and burn tokenomics. Rather than being separate events, each feature plays a different role in introducing players to the Frost Kingdom ecosystem. And that's everything you need to know about the Frost Kingdom Launchpad. Now you understand how to participate, what's the Genesis box offers, how the Ardaya presale works, and how these features connect to the game's broader ecosystem. If you're planning to join Frost Kingdom, hopefully this guide has made the process much easier to understand. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.